This is a video about slopes. This is your teacher thinking about slopes as he's in Whistler, British Columbia.
Oops.
Yikes, take me back to the classroom. Ah, this is more like it. I love this slope. It's flat. Can't get hurt on this slope. Anyway, if you look at this slope here, the slope is 0 because it's basically flat. If you think of a vertical slope, that slope approaches infinity. It approaches an infinite steepness, as steep as you can get. And in fact, when you try to calculate the slope, the answer is that the slope is undefined. So if we think of slopes, even if we think of slopes as skiing, the steeper the slope, the more there's a bigger y difference compared to the x difference, or there's a bigger vertical compared to the horizontal. So when you think of a slope, you can think of it as rise over run. Or you could think of it as the change. Here's a fancy symbol for change. The change in the y over the change in the x. So the slope formula, we use m for slope, is basically the difference in the y coordinates divided by the difference in the x coordinates. So in this case, what I have is the slope of this line is 3 minus a minus 2 divided by 7 minus a minus 3. So we have the slope is the same as 3 minus a minus 2 is the same as 3 plus 2. 7 minus a minus 3 is 7 plus 3. So the slope is 5 over 10, which is equal to 1/2. Okay, and if you start from here, the slope is a rise of 1 over 2. 1, 2. Okay, so if you look at lines that go from left to right, going upwards, the slope is going to be positive. Lines that are going in this direction, not a very well drawn line, but this line would have a negative slope. Horizontal lines have a slope of 0, vertical lines have a slope that is undefined.